Hey guys, what's up? Eddie Aho here with KissAnalog.com. So today I received a box and it's open, but I wanted to show you what's in it. It was opened by, the better half. This was actually one of those packages, like some of these others, I'd rather just her not know that I'm spending money on, but because I'm spending a little bit too much, I think. Anyway, I needed something like this, so I just wanted to show it to you guys. So it's open. I haven't really opened it though, and so I'll show you what it is. I think this is like 90 bucks on Amazon, so seemed somewhat affordable. It's just after you stacked up with all this other stuff. What it is, let me see. Well, look at the way it's packaged here. Can you see that? Let's see if I can show you what it is. There's a camera, some LEDs in there, and we're going to be able to see these circuit boards, stuff I'm working on. It's kind of hard for me to see with my bare eyes, so we're going to yeah, I guess it looks pretty easy to put together. So we're going to use this guy, and hopefully it's easy. Okay, that's all that's in that guy. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do here. So I'll just put this together. Looks like it's pretty quick, easy to put together maybe. Yikes. Okay, that moves that one. Can't look at instructions, right? We can figure this stuff out, huh? Okay. This looks pretty easy to go together. Pretty cool. So like I said, I think it's about 90 bucks. Had a 1080, pretty good resolution. So I hope this is gonna be okay. It's kind of small. There's a little cloth in here. What else we got here? That's about all there is there. So, oh, that's it. OK button, power button, left, right button, and a menu button, I guess. Doesn't say menu, it just shows some bullets. And a cord in a magic bag with no opening. Pretty cool. USB on one end, what's on the other end? Oh, okay, the little smart phone kind of plug, whatever that one's called. So many different connectors. That USB-C, it's one of those dudes. So, alright. Guess this guy plugs into here somewhere. Okay, oh, you know what? Shoot. I'm gonna have to go get a memory card for this bad boy. Takes a memory card, it has a little contrast or brightness thing for the screen, and there's the 5-volt DC input there. Let's see. Plug that into something. So, man, got this close and I need a memory card. But, never fear. I think I have one of those little guys. Operating guide and user guide. And they're in EN, which is English, I guess. And I don't know. Oh, these are slide trays. Oh, those are some stuff on those slide trays, I guess. Some microscopic kind of science stuff to look at. That's not the kind of stuff I was planning on looking at with this thing. It's more macro mode than micro mode. So this thing has quite a range of corpus ventinuclei. Okay. Alright, whatever. Maybe I should put that in the fridge. I don't know what that is. So, yeah. And then there's this little, what is this guy? Okay, it has a plastic cover. It's shiny on one side, and I think it's, I don't know if you're supposed to leave that on there or not. Huh, I don't know. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to need that stuff. That's not the kind of, like I say, I might have to take this off, I guess, and maybe just hold it above what I'm looking at. I guess I could get this little, we'll stick this little power supply underneath there and see what we can see. Okay, that's for the next video that I'm gonna post. Maybe at the same time I post this one. Alright guys, just thought I'd show you the opening of my microscope that we're going to be playing with. Down, up, and then this other one's for gross adjustments, I guess, to move it. We're going to want all the way up, I think. And yeah, okay. Alright, well, yeah, so came this morning when I was leaving the house. The guy came pretty early. Should have stuck it in the lab, huh? Oh well, she got to it, so. Alright, thanks guys. You know what, maybe I'll come back real quick and show you what it looks like, okay? I'll go get a memory card. And there is a transistor on that board. That's pretty cool. It's looks like it does a nice job. An inductor. There's a tandem capacitor. You can even see the small resistors. And now there's a chip. Now some of this this print is laser etched, and so you might have to turn the board, I think, on the edge to get the, let's see, yeah, that looks pretty good. And then you can kind of play around the focus, but yeah, I think just turning it on the edge. There we go. Yeah, it looks like it works pretty nicely. Wow, there's my thumb. You can see how big my thumb is from the these little parts. That's a large ceramic capacitor. You can turn on the side and kind of get a good look at solder joints. You can see the plated through holes. Wow. Pretty nice. See that inductor down there? You can see the solder joints underneath the part. Part numbers, yeah, that's a shielded inductor, by the way. So, see, there's the print for the UL stuff, the 94V0. That's kind of a fire rating, so basically says the board doesn't continue to burn. There's a connector with the capacitor. Wow, look at my fingernail. It looks like I got some injuries there. So there's, yeah, a capacitor between the ground and V out. Pretty cool, huh? Right there by the connector where it should be. Pretty cool. It's kind of an old demonstration board I got as an eval card a long time ago. I think I got it as eval. I think this is one of those that comes in an envelope with some marketing material. Kind of nice they do that. Wow, look at that. It comes with the battery. I disconnected power and it stayed on for a moment. It's a 2600 milliamp hour battery, 3.7 volt lithium. That's a nice touch.